Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, we have a little problem that many of us face when it comes to setting up our home office. Picture this, you're rethinking your workspace, wanting to declutter and make it more efficient. The desktop PC tower is the one eyesore you want to get out of sight. The solution? Moving it to the far side of the room, about 4 meters or 13 feet away. But how do you still connect all your peripherals to it seamlessly? Let's dive into this tech dilemma. In terms of a solution, here's a handy trick for you. Instead of searching for complex and expensive hardware, why not opt for a simple and effective approach? You can use an extra long USB 3 cable to connect your peripherals from the PC to your desk. By adding a USB hub on your table, you can plug in your keyboard, mouse, headset, and any other devices easily. To power on the PC without reaching over, just head into the BIOS settings and check if there's an option to turn it on using a keyboard button or combination. Voila! An uncomplicated fix to keep your setup clean and functional. Now to wrap it all up, we've tackled the problem of relocating your PC tower in a smart and budget-friendly way. By using an extra long USB cable and a USB hub, you can maintain a neat desk while keeping all your peripherals connected. Remember, simplicity is often the best approach when it comes to tech setups. Alright folks, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this tech tip, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any clever hacks you have for organizing your workspace. Until next time, happy tech tinkering.